So the first thing you want to do is come into my channel and click on the video tab. Then find a video that you would like to watch. Click on that. Once the video starts playing, then select the closed caption button and you'll see the subtitles will be added to the video. Now you can see that the subtitles are currently in English. So to change this, what we do is we click the settings, go to subtitles here, then auto translate, and now you can select any language that you want those subtitles to be played in. So we scroll down quickly. Here we go. Let's select Portuguese. And then here we go. Now the subtitles are in Portuguese, and you can do that for any language you want. If you want to change the subtitles again, you click settings, subtitles, auto translate, and then you can pick a different language, and any language that you want those subtitles will be changed into.